How to remove watermark from video using CapCut. Method 1. Scale up the video to hide the watermark. Method 2. Copy the video. Overlay the copy. Place the copy under the main video. Add blur effect to the whole video. Apply blur to the overlay. Add mask to the blur layer. Scale it up to cover the watermark. Adjust the mask feather to soften the edge. Method 3. Choose a sticker. Use the sticker to cover the watermark. Then you can remove watermark from your video. But if you fail to remove watermark from video using CapCut, try HitPaw Watermark Remover. The free download link is put on the description. Download and launch it. Select a tool based on the shape of the watermark. Here we resize the tool to fit the watermark. Usually, I will zoom in on the screen. With this, the watermark can be erased more accurately. Next, select the AI model. Different AI models have different effects. If you can't make up your mind, you can try all these models to choose the most suitable one. In the underground toolbar, you can redo, zoom in, zoom out, adjust the window. After the watermark is removed, select the folder to be exported. Then click Export. The interface of HitPaw Watermark Remover is very simple and quite easy to operate. Have a try if you need it. Okay, it's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment area. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.